Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for fashion design. First, open Canva and search for fashion templates. You'll find options for sketches, mood boards, and presentations. Select a template that fits your vision, or start with a blank canvas. This easy method helps you quickly visualize your ideas and bring them to life with professional-looking graphics. It's a fantastic tool for both beginners and experienced designers. To develop your design concept, begin by building a mood board. Search for images, colors, and textures that inspire your collection. You can upload your own photos or choose from Canva's extensive library. Arrange these elements to create a visual story. This step is crucial for establishing the overall feel and direction of your fashion line, ensuring all your pieces work together harmoniously. For sketching, Canva provides various fashion croquis you can use as a base. Simply drag and drop them onto your canvas. Then, add your clothing designs directly onto the figures. You can easily adjust colors, patterns, and details to visualize different options. This allows for rapid iteration and refinement of your garments, making the design process much more efficient and visually engaging. Once your designs are complete, Canva helps you present your collection professionally. Use presentation templates to showcase your mood boards, sketches, and final designs. You can easily share your work with clients or collaborators for feedback. Export your projects in high-quality formats, ensuring your vision is communicated clearly and effectively. This final step brings your creative journey to a polished conclusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.